Hi you guys, I am so excited to be starting this vlog. It is Wednesday night and I leave for Botswana on Friday morning, which is crazy. Well, technically the trip fully starts Friday morning. My flight is not until 10 p.m. that night, but I have to get to my uncle's place by 10:30 in the morning. So we're in the middle of prepping for the trip, and that means doing my nails. I do my own nails at home. I have been for the past year, saving me a lot of money, like $90 every 3 weeks. So that's what we're doing tonight. I am going to be taking you guys through packing everything in my luggage and what I'm bringing. I think this video is going to be more of like a prep vlog. My nails usually take me like an hour 20 minutes, depending on how intense I do the prep for. Alright guys, my nails are done. They look nice and clean. We love a clean look. They're actually pretty short. I haven't had nail polish on in a few days, but I am just gonna relax for the rest of the night. I'm gonna get up early to start laundry, but I have been addicted to this book right here. This is by Lisa Jewell. None of this is true. Super good. I'm about, 40% through it. I don't think I'm gonna finish it before I leave, which stinks, but I did download a couple books on my iPad to read while we're in the airport and stuff. Gonna have some little ice cream sandwiches. I've been kind of bad, but it's fine. And I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. We leave tomorrow, which is actually crazy. I have so much to do today. I have a list for today, which includes starting with laundry. I'm gonna throw a load of laundry in. This is what we're working with. I will show you guys the stuff that I'm packing. It's definitely a lot, and I have to fit it in this luggage. I feel like it'll be fine. I'm more so worried about the weight, and then I have toiletries and stuff that I need to prepare for. And then I also have this backpack that I'm going to be bringing with me as my carry-on. And that's also very heavy because I have granola bars in here, or protein bars that are super, super dense. But I'm so excited to bring these. I found these online. They're nut free and there's 12 grams of protein. It's all just seeds. There's no isolate in there, which is nice. They're very yummy, but again, very dense. Okay, I'm watching Grace and Hannah. Hannah was on Grace's podcast. Love Hannah and Grace. They're both hilarious. I was going to put on makeup, but I think I'm going to just do that later. I have a couple things I have to film, and I just took my malaria pill, and I'm like, oh, am I okay? Am I okay? I'm fine. I am going to pack my luggage because I want to weigh it. I'm so nervous it's going to be overweight. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys all the stuff I'm packing. We're going to be going for 10 days, and I took a look at the weather. It's going to be highest just 77, and then at night it's obviously going to be kind of chilly. So let me show you what I'm packing. Okay, we have binoculars. These are actually my mom's. I got these for her Christmas, and she's letting me borrow them while I'm in Africa. This is going to be so interesting, trying to fit all of this stuff. I'm bringing 2 bags, well technically 3. My luggage, I'll leave a link for you guys, but I have this backpack. It's by the brand Cara. So many different compartments. I have had this for so long. This is actually my mom's too. I have the black version, but they don't recommend black or dark colored things because of the bugs. So we have this color. That is so heavy. I feel like I have to empty that. And then I have this little cute fanny pack bag. Just wrap it around myself, be able to fit my camera in there while we're on the game drives and such. I may or may not put this in the backpack. I'm not sure yet. I actually have to go flip my laundry, so I'll be right back. My heart's racing. We'll get into my travel anxieties a little bit later. I am bringing 2 jackets and 1 sweatshirt. This little zip up windbreaker, perfect coloring, and it's pretty soft on the inside. I got this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for $25 bucks. It's by the brand Free Country. This is just perfect, I feel like, to have for during the day and at night. And I'm actually going to start rolling things and putting them in my packing cubes, which these are also from Amazon. I will have them linked. The other jacket that I'm bringing that I'm actually wearing on the plane is this one. This is by Blank NYC. This is a size large. It's just like a quilted jacket almost. Super cozy and oversized. I love this thing. Color's perfect. And I'm actually going to wear this on the plane. And I will show you guys my plane outfit. We have our compression socks. I am on birth birth control because I get ovarian cysts and it is super important to wear compression socks on flights. And I bought these from Bombas. I keep thinking I'm hearing somebody at my door, but I got these from Bombas. Very comfortable and made the splurge because I feel like this is something you can splurge on. And then on the plane, I'm just wearing a Cuts t-shirt and then these like cotton pants by the brand Splendid. They're just like flare cotton pants. I am gonna have the opportunity to do laundry while I'm traveling, thank God. Next, I literally just threw this in here because I was taking a look at the pictures and some of the places are like really pretty and we might be going to some nice dinners or like sitting around and I want to look somewhat nice. And this color's perfect. I also could wear this as like a cover up because I'm bringing my bathing suit. There will be swimming pools there. I think I got this. This is by the brand Sea Spice. I got it at TJ Maxx. Most of my stuff is from TJ Maxx, so it is going to be hard to link, but I will try to link some similar items. Then I have this, which gets so wrinkly so easily. I feel like this is perfect for a safari. It's by the brand Cloth and Stone CNS. I mean, come on, this is just like the ultimate safari outfit. A little jumper. Since I'm there for 10 days, I tried to pack kind of light, but again, you can try your hardest, you know? And then I have this sweater. I actually did a photo shoot with this brand. I will leave all of their info in the description. It's just a beautiful cashmere sweater. Again, perfect for dinners. I feel like this could actually even be cute over the dress that I just showed you guys. I get cold so easily. My apartment is literally at 75 right now and I'm kind of cold. That is one bag full. Let's talk about pants. I feel like I'm overpacking, but I'm like weirdly like I'm gonna have to do laundry. I'm bringing these little shorts by 32 Cool. Got these at Costco actually. Then I have some leggings from Kyodon. I brought 2 pairs of leggings. I also brought a Beyond Yoga pair that's actually in my backpack. So I'm packing 2 outfits just in case my luggage gets lost for a couple days. We have just some denim shorts by Levi's. My mom looked at all my stuff on the bed and was like, are you sure that's gonna fit? I'm like, these little shorts, I thought these were just good for lounging. They're by Peter Millar. Just thinking like sleeping wise. And then I have some sweatpants by New Look. I'm pretty sure I got these on ASOS. They're just cuffed at the bottom. They're like a speckled white. And then I have these pants by Mondetta. They're just green joggers. I'm actually really excited to wear an outfit with these because I'll show you guys the hat that I'm bringing. It's so cute. And then we have these linen pants by Old Navy. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of options, which is good. I'll have an outfit for every day, and then if I have to change after the day excursions, I'll be good. 2 of them full now. Let's talk shirts. I'm almost debating on just bringing 1 bathing suit. I think I'm just gonna bring 1, and I'm gonna bring this one. This is made by Abercrombie & Fitch. I honestly think it's from their bridal collection. Family friendly. Gotta bring the family friendly. And now let's talk shirts. So again, I have multiple outfits, 2 outfits in my luggage carry-on backpack. I brought a long sleeve shirt that's made by the same material with some biker shorts. This one right here, these are from Amazon. The material is so nice, stretchy, and breathable, and it's also UPF, so it protects you from the sun. Thought this would be cute with just some basic denim shorts. And we have this to go with those Kyodon leggings. This is by Beyond Yoga, built-in bra. This tank top, this is by Aerie. I got these a long time ago. I have 3 different colors because I love them. The built-in bra. Tank top, this is by the brand Weekday, and a TNA t-shirt. Okay, so all I have left is underwear, a sweatshirt, and my bras, and then I brought an extra sports bra. So we are going with the company True Africa. I will leave all their information below for you guys. So excited. I'm bringing a baseball hat, and then my uncles gave me this safari hat, which I love this. I'm so excited about this. We're gonna figure out how to wear it. It'll be fine. And then I'm bringing underwear, couple bras, and a ton of socks. And then I also got these insect repellent socks because, oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys my boots. First, let me show you my sneakers. So I'm bringing 3 pairs of shoes. First being these Adidas. I got these so long ago and I don't care if they get ruined because I don't wear them that much anymore. So I have those, and then a pair of Old Navy flip-flops for like the shower, just putzing around. I'm so excited about these. It was a journey. It was definitely a journey trying to get boots for this trip because I ordered some off Boot Barn and I thought I was going crazy. They would not go around my foot. It was the weirdest thing. I like brought them to my mom's. I'm like, Mom, you have to try on these boots. I don't know if I'm stupid. And the left one went on, the right one did not. The right one, the ankle part was way too small. So I ended up finding these boots on Amazon, and I'm so excited because they are so comfortable. I accidentally ordered an 8.5 thinking I would need something bigger for a thicker sock. Turns out the 8 is even big, so I was able to return and all that, but these were like less than $40 and they are actually perfect. I'm so excited to style these and wear these. Okay, everything is fitting pretty nicely so far. I do have a little bit of section for my like toiletries and stuff, but I feel like we're gonna be fine. This is all packed. My biggest concern is this bag and with how much stuff I'm fitting in here. If you guys didn't know, I have allergies, so I have to carry EpiPens with me, and then I have the 2 extra pairs of clothes. I have my sleeping mask, the paperwork for the trip. Like, I kind of have a lot in there. So I'm gonna see how I do with like cosmetics, and then I really would like to put these in my checked bag. I have one for every single day, which like hopefully that's fine to have something like this with me. I'm just so scared of not getting enough protein and being hungry. We have these last few bags and then maybe one more to fit in there. Okay, I probably have these eye patch things on incorrectly, but it's fine. I feel like I needed a little wake up. I was trying to look for a face mask to bring with me on the plane, but I don't have any like sheet masks, so we're out of luck there. I did order little mini spray bottles to fill bacteria spray that I'm obsessed with. In the meantime, I am gonna start vacuuming my apartment. We are pretty much packed. I just weighed it. I think it's like 35 pounds. It's a 45-pound limit. So I'm on the safe side. If I end up buying anything, we should be good there. I have laundry going. I put some makeup on and I had to film a video. I am having a little bit of anxiety. Not gonna lie to you guys, specifically about bugs. I just watched a video and some girl was like, wear sandals or flip-flops because if you get up in the middle of the night, you never know what you can step on. Great. Awesome. That sounds great. So I'm kind of debating on bringing another pair of shoes, maybe another pair of sandals. I don't know. I'm actually meeting my mom, my sister, and my sister's friend for dinner. My sister flies in today and I'm leaving tomorrow. So I want to be able to see her. So I'm actually going to go get gas because I don't want to have to worry about it in the morning. I was thinking of setting my alarm for like 7:30. Gonna shower, wash my hair again, self-tan my face tonight. That whole thing. The pre-travel jitters are kicking in, y'all. No, because it's the way I need to actually chill. I need to take a deep breath. Ready, everybody together. I have so much anxiety. I mean, it's obviously a mix of things, going away, traveling, and like I just went to dinner with my mom and my sister, and I saw my sister on Easter, but I just feel sad because like I don't know when the next time I'm gonna see her is because she's not gonna be here when I get back. She'll be back in Massachusetts and my dad's coming in. I'm just like missing on a weekend. It's my sister's birthday, it's my dad's birthday tomorrow, and then Mother's Day all on the same weekend, and that happens every single year, it seems. I'm also like a week before my period, and this is when all those emotions and feelings start kicking in. I just feel very emotional and overwhelmed. I think I'm overwhelmed. I think that's honestly what it is. I'm seeing all this content like from these trips and it's just gonna be so surreal. Like I'm nervous I'm gonna cry the entire time. Hopefully I don't. On a good note, I leave tomorrow. I got these little travel containers and I put my favorite spray by Skin Smart in them. So I just have like last minute stuff, and then I'm actually gonna put on my self tanner. So let's take off the makeup. I'm doing a good exfoliation on my face and then also self tanner. I was gonna bring this tripod, but I feel like it'll be silly. Like every time I bring my tripod, I want to say 90% of the time I bring it, I never use it or never need to use it. And I like this Osmo Pocket because one, there's a microphone, so I don't have to talk that loud. It's small and I have a little magnet tripod thing on the back, so it can stick to anything metal, and it also can stand up on its own. So I feel like we'll be fine. I feel like my tripod's like just a wee bit too clunky. So I am gonna let my skin breathe probably 10 minutes or so and then apply my, it's so easy to use and it doesn't break me out, and I just use it with my little fluffy brush here.